Cold season is quickly approaching, so it's time to defend your home from toxin and germs. And I have the answer right in this box. Let's make the Home Defender Spray together. Once we've made this recipe, you'll go from a toxic, germ-filled home to an all-natural, toxin-free home. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist from Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils in their home. So turn off all those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to start making this recipe. You'll need your Simply Earth essential oil recipe box and your bonus box. From your Simply Earth recipe box, you are going to grab your labels and you are going to look for your recipe. Here's the Home Defender Cleaning Spray. Cute little cards. From your box, you're going to use the Simply Earth cleaning tablet and 40 drops of Defender essential oil. From your home, you're gonna grab a 16-ounce spray bottle and 16 ounces of distilled water. For the first part of the recipe, we're gonna grab our large spray bottle, our essential oil, and our cleaning tablet. So the first step says we are gonna put our essential oil and our cleaning tablet into our spray bottle. Depending on what size spray bottle you have, your tablet may not fit. So you can cut this guy in half with a knife and then put both halves in the bottle, or you can try breaking it. I'm not very strong, so I'm gonna try cutting it. All right, I actually cut mine into thirds. I'm gonna put this guy into the spray bottle and add 40 drops of Defender essential oil. So now that I've put my tablets in there and added the essential oil, I'm gonna wait until this guy stops fizzing, and then I can add the water. Now that that step is done, I'm gonna add my distilled water. I'm gonna put my cap on, shake it up, and then I'll put a label on it so I know what's in this glorious concoction. The last step for this recipe is putting a date on it so I know when I made this recipe. To use, shake up your bottle, spray on any surface, and wipe it to clean. A note that you want to keep in mind with this spray is that the essential oils and water can separate a little bit, so all you'll have to do if that happens is just shake it up a little more and they will be emulsified again. I absolutely love this recipe because I can use it on every surface of my house, and I know that my pets and husband are safe too. You can make this too. Go to simplyearth.com/box, hit that subscribe now button so that you can be making this recipe for your home soon. Also, I love seeing all the recipes that you guys make on social media. So go ahead and post all those pictures, tagging it with #IMadeThis, and making sure you tag @SimplyEarth so we can see all those fun recipes too. Go get your box today so that you can learn how to master essential oils. Go make this recipe now!